So I'm Adrian, as you know, and I got the i500, or we did at DAL, and on my Saturday I'm going to unpackage it, and I'm going to start scanning some models, and my 10-year-old, and myself, and I will keep you posted on how that goes. So the packaging is pretty sturdy, the way it comes in. It's just a nice dimension. It's not very heavy either. So I've already cut the tape. So I'm just going to go ahead and slide it open. So it looks like we're learning about this together because I have never opened one of these yet. So it looks like there's a little diagram on how to set it up and a thank you for your purchase of the i500. That's nice. I like that. And so let's see how they package it here. And it looks like nice and sturdy. It's a nice box. And voila, there it is. We've been waiting a long time for this thing. So exciting. See what it looks like inside. So it looks like it has like a little foam protection layer, and I even paid attention to the corner. So inside we have all of our accessories. We have a user manual and our cords, and it looks like a wall mount, and our software and the scanner. Let's see. Oh yeah, so this is fun. It looks like we have 3 tips. So we have one that's on the scanner, and then they're all the same direction and size, it looks like. And the wall mount looks like it would fit in like this. Not bad. Little button here. I'll go over the installation and the scanning process later. So this is just a quick video, and it looks like I have a nice heavy-duty cradle that's rubber lined, so nice. Looks like it's going to be real easy to put together, and the manual, wow, the manual shows you exactly how to scan, so I can't wait to try it out today.